not e. Alrighty, so I have a problem here that says find the derivative of log base 3 of x. And we're going to use the same idea, a similar idea that we had before. We are going to rewrite log base 3 of x using natural log of x. Okay, so somehow we're going to transform the log base 3 into some version of natural log of x. And so let's see. Let's pretend that log base 3 of x is equal to something. Okay, it's equal to some value. We don't necessarily know what that value is, but we'll just say that it's equal to something. Okay? Then what we're going to do next is rewrite in exponential form. Okay, so we're going to rewrite this in exponential form. So this is 3 to the k. 3 to the k is equal to x. Then take the natural log of both sides. And applying the power rule of logs, we get that k natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of x. Solving for k, we get k is equal to natural log of x over natural log of 3. Okay. But wait a minute, k is equal to log base 3 of x. So therefore, log base 3 of x is the same as natural log of x over natural log of 3. Okay. So what this allows us to do is just to rewrite any logarithm in any base in terms of natural log. So now we can do this problem. So we're going to rewrite this as the derivative of 1 over natural log of 3, and this is just a constant, times the natural log of x, which is simple enough to calculate. This is equal to 1 over natural log of 3 times the derivative of natural log of x, which is just 1 over x. So that's equal to 1 over natural log of 3 x. Okay. So there you have it. That's the answer to this particular question. And the trick or the idea is you have log base 3 and we rewrite it using natural log. And that's mostly all there is to it. Okay, so now let's look at the general idea. We solved a specific problem. Now let's kind of mimic what we did up here, but using a constant a. So I have log base a is equal to k. Rewrite in exponential form. We have log base a of x. A to the k is equal to x. Take the natural log of both sides. K comes out in the front. And then divide both sides by natural log of a. And now let's deal with this problem. Before we take the derivative, let's rewrite this. This is just natural log of x over natural log of a, or 1 over natural log of a times natural log of x. And keep in mind, a is a constant, so 1 over natural log of a is also a constant. That means f prime of x, the derivative, is just the constant, times the derivative of natural log, which is 1 over x. And the restriction here is that x has to be a positive number. Same thing up here. Actually, I forgot to include that restriction. All right. So there you have it. The general formula for finding the derivative of the logarithm is 1 over natural log of a times 1 over x. Well, thank you for watching. I'm going to stop this video here, and in the next one, we are going to deal with some of the examples.